friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel Get Perfect. So in today's video we'll come to know how to use index match. Yes, index match. This is one of the advanced Excel formula, but please go through the entire video. You will come to understand how easy it is, and I'll show you the simplest way how to do it. So let's jump onto my laptop screen. Hi friends, welcome back to my laptop screen. So today we are going to learn about index and match formula. So this is the example for today. So here I have store name, here I have the product list, and as per the stores I can see how many products has been sold, and also I have made a small table below where I can select a store name and I can select a product name also, and I want a result in this yellow column, in this yellow cell. So how to do it? So let's start. So first we need to understand how have I made this drop down list. So in order to make a drop down list, you have to go to data and then select validation. In the Windows Excel it will show like this in the data itself, but the window will be shown like this, which is now showing on the screen. Okay, so when you click on this data validation, it will ask you to allow uh, any value. So you select list over here. It will ask you for the source cell range. So I'll select click on the source, and I'll select this cell range from A2 to A10, and then select OK. Now can you see a list of stores are there? The same way I've done for the product as well. I'll click on this, select list. I'll keep the cursor on the source, and then I'll select from mobile phone to PlayStations and select OK. See, so this is the way I have made this to drop down. Now let's start with the index formula. First index open bracket. Now it will ask for the array. So this total cell from A1 to E2, the answer lies somewhere over here. Now comma, the general electronics is at which row number? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here first would be the row number and second would be the column number, and battery charger is at which column? 1 2 3. So the answer what we'll get is general store and battery. The answer should be 1. See, so from index, from this entire table array we came to know at row number 6 and column number 3 the answer is 1. But how to automate this? In order to automate this, we'll also include match formula with the index. So how to do it is, first let's see what does the match formula does. So in this below small table, first we will select the how we will come to know what is the row number, and in the column, and what is the column number. So match, match, open bracket, lookup value, what you want to look up. In the row I want to look up this, that is the general store, comma, where I need to look up what is the cell range. So the cell range would be from this store name to ABC. So it is from A1 to A10, comma 0. 0 stands for exact match. So the row number is 6, which I just entered over here. See, row number is 6. I derived it with the using a match formula. Now the column number, match, open brackets. The lookup value for this would be this, the product name, and the cell range would be from the store name to the mobile name. I need a exact match, so it's 0. See, so the battery comes in column 3, 1 2 3. Suppose if I change this battery to headphone, this changes. If I change this general store to X electronics, the row number changes. See, so if I, instead of manually entering 6, I'll just select this cell, that is B15, the row number B15, and column number B16. Okay, enter. Now you can see 241 for X electronics, how many headphones. If I change anything over here. For PlayStation it's 21, product for mobile phone it's 250. See, now it's getting changed automatically. Now what if I don't want to make these two columns? I want to include index as well as match formula in one single formula. It's very simple. Whatever formula for match you have written over here, you just need to include that in the index formula. So instead of this row number, you will enter match. Lookup value would be the store name. I need to look up in this, and I want an exact match. See, and again, see, 250. If I change a product, I change a store, it gets changed. For Sahil Electronics, mobile phone sold is 25. For ABC Electronics, mobile phone sold is 12. See, the value is getting changed. Now let's do this for the row also, for the columns also. I'm sorry. So MATCH, open brackets, the lookup value is this product, comma, the entire columns, comma, I want the exact match, close bracket. See, now it's working absolutely fine. Even if I change the product number like battery, chargers, headphones, PlayStations, the amount is getting changed. See, good. I hope that you understood the entire index match formula. If you have any questions regarding this, please do comment me below. I'll make sure that I answer each and every questions of yours. And also one more thing, if you have not still subscribed for my channel, please do it for more such lovely videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood the entire process, how to use the index match formula. If you have any questions, please comment me below. I'll definitely answer all your questions. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channels to get notified for more such videos. Thank you so much and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.